This is John Chung. From today, we're gonna try to study all digital essay questions. The released from College Board. Maybe each video will contain around 10 questions. So we have to learn how to get the answer in the fastest or easiest way. Or you can use a calculator. So you can use a calculator. Calculator will be allowed to use in the test. I think so. Now, first we can try this one. That is practice one from College Board. Module one over here. So usually 1 to 10 is very easy questions. Actually, you don't need any work. Take a look first one. What is 10% of a 470? Never know this one. 10% is 0.1. 0.1 times 470 is what? You don't need any work over here. Just 47 is the answer. Or you can use a calculator if you want it. All right. 0.1 times 470. You can use this one. The number 2. Take a look over here. 4x plus 6 is 18. 4x is 12 and x equals 3. It doesn't need any work. But we're going to find the equivalent. Equivalent means what? They're going to give the same final answer. The answer is x equals 3. This is the equivalent. The number 3 over here. Total cost in dollars to rent a third board consists of a 25 service fee. This is a one-time fee. So based on this one-time fee, we pay a little more. $10 per hour rental fee. $10 per hour rental fee. This $10 is called the rate. It depends on the number of hours T. Always the rate comes with variable T. What is total amount? $25 10 times T, but maximum will be 75. It can be more than 75, right? That is less than or equal. It's okay. That's the answer. So when you make a graph over here, this is $25. The graph will be like this one. This is rate is what kind of slope, right? By this linear equation, it's called constant slope. Every increased by 1 unit. 1 unit is a 1 hour increase. They're gonna pay additional $10 more. That's right. This is we said 10 over 1. That's why it's called what slope. Another one increase 1 hour again. Another $10 more. All right. So actually, this is a rate is a slope. So this is what initial amount, y-intercept. All right, number 4. Where is it? Number 4 here. That is the functions. So x is input, g of x. When you put this number over here, this one whole thing is the output. But output number is given, right? Y number is given. 25 equals to x squared plus 1. We have to solve this one. What is the value of x? X squared is 16, right? 16 plus 9 is 25. What is x plus minus 4, right? Two possible value of x, but we have only one of this one, positive. Number 5. Each face is a pair of 14-sided die, very special die, right? There are 14 numbers there, But usually the regular die has 6 numbers, 1 to 6, right? This is 14, 1 to up to 14, right? So when you roll, roll this die, what is the probability of rolling of 2? Number 2. We have only one number 2, All the numbers are different. But we have to think about there are 14 possible chances because every number has equal chances, right? There are 14 chances, but number 2 is only one chance. That is probability, right? Or possible number of chance. Number of all possible. Usually we set outcomes. But this is chance, the number of chances, But this number 2 is only one chance. We set a number of, we need this one, We set the variable. Only one chance, All right. So probability is what? A is the answer, okay? All right, move on number 6. We have constant rate 42 posters per minute. Okay, we can produce this one every minute. 42 posters will be produced. That is unit rate, right? Because this is already what? Per minute. This is we set unit rate. 42 per minute. If you have a number of minutes, you just multiply this number of minutes to this number 42. That's it. This one is what is it? 1 hour is just 60 minutes. That's right. So 1 minute is out 42 times 60, right? 2,520 is correct. Yeah, that's the answer, okay? Or you can use proportion too. This is unit rate. You can use a proportion too. Okay, proportion is what? Same rate, okay? Because it's gonna be same rate. 42 pastels can be produced by 1 minute. 1 hour is just 60 minutes. Already you're gonna make right same equal unit. This is 1 hour. Okay. How many pastels? Cross multiplication, you get the same answer over here. Or you can use converting unit converting. Okay. Okay, converting unit ratio. I'm going to just the ratio, each of 5. Because this one is 42 pastels over 1 minute. Okay, we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. This is equivalent. Now change into converting ratio. Take a look. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. That is called what? Converting ratio, okay? But you gotta be careful when you put minute over here, minute, same unit is in the opposite side numerator, okay? That's right, that's why they canceled out. This is canceled out 42 times 60, that is the number of pastels, okay? But this is, we got only 1 hour over here, okay? So every hour, we will produce 2,550 pastels. Remember all 3, but I'm suggesting this one, okay? Because sometimes they don't give a unit rate, okay? Some other number of minute, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, something like that. In this case, better use proportion or converting ratio, okay? A lot of questions will be out, okay, using converting ratio, okay? We can see that later. All right. When x is 4, what is the output? Okay, they ask you to find this, okay? You don't need any work. Yes. 7 times 4 plus 2, everyone know that. That is 30, okay? All right, table number 8. A teacher creating an assignment worth 70 points. Okay, 1 point assignment. Question number is 3 point questions. So 1 point questions is X over here, right? I represent by 3 point number of questions. So you can find total is how much? 1 point. 1 times X. 3 times Y. Okay? That's your total point in each right the questions, okay? The 1 point and 3 point. Total is 70. X plus 3Y equals 70. That's the answer, okay? They are all what? Pre-algebra, okay? Up to now. So right triangle LMN. U triangle LMN. Another right triangle is PQR. But in our regulations, LP is the corresponding point, which is the vertex. This is the corresponding vertex, Okay? So I'm going to use the graph. If this is the L, M, N, okay, they are similar, right? Okay, they are either make big. This is L is the corresponding P is over here, and Q is over here, that is R over here. Okay, corresponding side and corresponding point, okay? This is corresponding side that increase this much, okay? Increase this. This is a corresponding side. Okay, I'm going to do this one. This corresponding side up here. This corresponding side up here. Okay, this is similar, right? Similar is what? The size is different. Congruent is size exactly same as before. But in simulus, angle doesn't change. They preserve angles. Okay, angle L plus angle P, they are equals. Angle N, angle P equals angle M, angle Q is equals. That's a simulus. Okay, in simulus, always preserve all angles. Okay, I'm going to use my corresponding angles is better, right? Only corresponding angles. Okay, all right. So angle M is 53. This one should be also 53. Okay, that's it. Right, 53 is the answer. Okay. Now move on number 10 over here. This is number 10, system of equations. Okay, very easy. Okay, right. We're gonna find the value of x, not value of y, only y, x coordinate. To find the y, to find the x, just right, eliminate y, okay? Y is over here, negative 3x, from here, negative 3x. Now y is gone, out. So 4x minus x, 3x is what? X equals 15. That's the answer, okay? All right. Now let's finish here, okay? We'll continue next another 10 more questions in the next video, okay? Thank you so much. So I'll see you next time.